So this pregnancy has got me going crazy. Anytime I see somebody eating something, I want it. So like I've been watching like a whole bunch of like mukbangs or whatever last night. So we're gonna make a seafood boil, and we're gonna make Blove's Smackalicious sauce. I think that's what it's called. So we were gonna purchase it, but it's so we kind of were just like, oh, we want it now, so we wouldn't have time because we'd have to wait for it to ship. So we bought all the ingredients from her video, and we're gonna start on the sauce. We got the water boiling outside for the boil part. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna record us eating it because I know it's kind of messy and I don't have like the proper mic for like the noise, like the, but maybe you'll see us eating it, but it's not gonna be like a full, like, you know, like that. But we're gonna record. Okay, yay. So for the sauce, these are all the dry ingredients, seasoning. So it's all, but it's outside. So it's all 1 teaspoon. So it's Cajun spice mix, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, cayenne pepper, onion powder, oregano, lemon pepper, crushed red pepper. Actually, that was optional. I didn't put that because I don't like that getting stuck in my teeth. Chili powder. It says accent salt, but I just use regular salt. Old Bay seasoning, I put 2 teaspoons. And then this is also for onions, garlic that he didn't even cut up. He's supposed to cut that up. And then ginger. So for these, she actually grinds it up with the onions, but I want to leave it slivers because I feel like that's what she does eventually, like later on in her recipes, because that's what it looks like. And that needs to be chopped up. And then there's also more that goes into the sauce, but next part is the butter. But we're going to take a break from the sauce and go back to the boil, which is outside. So we have 1 box of this Zatarain's crab oil, which is going to go into, that water is not even boiling. That's not boiling water. So, oh, it's kind of steamy. We added in that Zatarain's bag, this oil. Sorry, all the steam. But then I also added in chicken bouillon. It's like the chicken stock. And now we had to bring it to a rolling boil. So we're adding in our potatoes. We'll put it in one by one, Licky. It's gonna freaking burn me. Our lobsters. Don't mind the music. It's our outside radio.
Is that how she did it? She just put it all in one cup?
Lobsters floating in it. Ooh, corn. I'm trying to get burned. Ew. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna put our king crab legs. I hope this doesn't overflow. We got these, I don't know what they're called, but these big crab boys. Oh, sheesh. And then I peeled some shrimps. If you're judging us by the way we put it in, well, this is our first time. Okay, sorry. You gotta, yeah, Daddy gotta push it down and mix it. Watch out, Leah. And then I guess we gotta let it come back to a boil because we just added a lot of shit in it. And there we go. That's all of it. That's everything that's going in here, right? Yep. And Licky got sausage for himself, but I think he'll do that after we take everything out because I still don't eat meat during this pregnancy, so I don't want it mixed with my bomb seafood. Oh, it smells good though. The sauce is smelling bomb. I'm waiting to cook it down so these onions cook down. But it actually tastes pretty good, but I feel like I want to add more salt. But I'm waiting till like all the flavors combine together before I add it. But it actually tastes really good. I did a little taste test, but I'd like to add more salt. Here is our boil done. Got some rice, Licky sausage, and then this is Licky's bowl, my bowl, and then rice for him, rice for the girls. Doesn't it look so good?
Put this in a microwave, huh?
Just dip it in there. It's still hot. My overcooked boiled eggs.
Oh, I should put it. I got one more. Put it in a microwave tray.
More. They got some poke. Okay. Do you like it? Ari, do you like your food? Yeah. Outside eating. She didn't want to go inside. Daddy's getting one. Ari's in the house eating. They want to stay outside with us. I didn't want to make a mess. So if we did, you know, we didn't got to clean it. Guys, look even put the lemon.
Put so much onion because you know her onion.
I
think it's perfect.
Okay, let's try. Action.
Oh. Yeah, you gotta try with the lemon too, babe. The lemon is
Don't
good.
forget the crab. I mean the lobster.
He doesn't want to be in the video. He didn't cut his hair. I'm not a lemony person, but we'll see. Oh. Oh. It's sour. Let me get an onion.
Oh. Oh, I do them like this from now on.
It actually tastes better than kicking Cajun we usually go to.
Smash! I'm not gonna kick and Cajun no more. And with the and then use right with the lemon. I think it's tops it. Oh.
We were watching so much videos last night. Made us hungry.
So you want to cut some of the king crab in couple pieces? What? No?
I would. You got your scissors?
No, but I mean to cut.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna wash this board then. You guys know you know.
No, I don't think so. It's bomb, guys. I just shot all in my face.
That's my mom too.
Okay, guys. Update until you guys later because my hands are really dirty.
In the beginning, when the color never come out, I was like, in a suit.
Oh yeah, when I was making this, the color was so like Licky was freaking out, getting all mad at me.
I wasn't getting mad.
Yeah, she was like, "What did you forget? Did you forget something?"
I might not be.
I'm eating Limu from our Poke.
How come hers look so different? Next thing it came out.
No, but hers. Belove's video where her sauce, she's all over the place. It's kind of hard to follow her. And then at the end, she doesn't say it really, but in her description, she says she adds more butter because the flavor was too strong. What's up? You want more corn? Leah's just eating corn after corn. You go give this to her. I got up a lot of time. I got up so much times. Update. Licky is full and I don't care for the sauce. I made me some butter with garlic salt. What you want a corn? Corn? Oh god, girl. Hey guys, so it's morning and I thought I'd just show you the day after. So I got some potatoes, corn, and now I'm gonna deshell some crab and lobster. It's gonna be the breakfast. So yeah, I didn't care for her sauce. I mean, Licky really liked it. My dad said it was good, but I didn't. It was just wasn't for me. It wasn't my cup of tea, you know what I mean? Which is fine. Like, everybody likes it different. Or maybe I need to just change up the seasonings a little bit because that's just not how I liked it. But I don't know if I'll do that because I think it has like 20 different freaking seasonings. Oh my god, I could get the legs. And this is the last lobster. I think we overcooked the lobster, but you know, it was still freaking bomb. This is the last lobster we have. Now we can film ourselves because Licky didn't want to be shown. Oh, I don't know if you can see Elia's little head. Oh, there we go. There we go. Got a Mountain Dew. I drank all the Pepsi. Don't mind the... That's from our mess from yesterday, our dishes. I don't like Mountain Dew. Oh, there's flies. Here's your corn. I think I need to go melt me more butter though because it's not enough to like dip. And I want to dip stuff, so I need to move stuff.
Mama, I don't make this.
That's just butter, baby.
I don't want that butter.
You don't want the butter. The butter didn't fully melt on her corn and she don't want it. There. I take it. Okay, dippy, dippy. Good. I think I need to go back in the house and make me a container of butter. Sit down, you're gonna fall. Yep, I'm gonna go make me more butter. I'll be back. Can't see you. Eat your corn. Where's your corn? Show them your actual corn, not the one in your mouth, crazy. So guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. And if you think that there's something that you think I might like, another sauce or another type of recipe of a boil, please let me know down below. Or unless you want to see me eat something else, because I love eating this pregnancy. Like, I just want to eat everything. Like, now I really want to eat like those black bean noodles with some kimchi. Like, I need to go find somewhere good that has that, or somewhere I can buy it that tastes good, like the right flavor that I kind of want. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm so out of breath. Bye.